What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ. I'm back again. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. So before we start, I just want to show you guys that this is the fucking best bottle for waterfall tornadoes. Because this shit just watch. I don't know. I'll get this shit up so you guys can see. Watch this. It's cool, man. I chugged for many years of my life or whatever, but like the water, like the vortex fucking chug thing, you know what I mean? I haven't really like done it like a lot, but I know how to. Anyways, this is like the perfect bottle for it. It's fucking cool. So watch this. Never mind. I couldn't get the spin, man. What the fuck? I'll try it again. Half. We'll do half. Oh, that's cold, man. Sunflower. Goddamn. Uh-oh. It's fucking me again. Oh. I'm just kidding. What's going on with my hood here? Whoa! Going up to the campfire spot again, meeting up with Todd. There's Todd. Sun's super bright right now, but we don't got much wind today, so
it's nice, yeah.
Which is great.
Sorry.
Oh,
Hold my hand.
we're already holding hands. You ever? I don't know if you guys ever like be like walking by a friend, and then like your arms kind of like, you know, just walking and hit your hands, friend. It's kind of funny. One of the other, it's like either you hit your own friend's hand or your friend hits your hand, and then it's like you kind of like make a joke out of it. I think I might try this one like a full take video instead of like pausing and going. I think I'll do like a full take video. I like to have a gimbal. I'm gonna get myself a gimbal, so if it's a little shaky sometimes, I apologize. Because
here we go with this goddamn hill.
Just using my
Beautiful
own hands, you know what I mean?
Three hills. Too fat.
This book bag's a little heavier this time. I brought
It's carrying your weight.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful day. Sun is shining. Ooh, in the crossing.
Dude, we got the hill, no problem. Starting to get easier.
Yeah, the more and more you does it, it's
The more
better.
you do it, yeah. I'm way too fucking fat.
Cardio, we need.
I like breathing like.
Oh. Whoa, the sun's bright. Even though I got sunglasses.
Give me a second.
Yeah?
Holy fuck.
Another view. Soccer field down below. Hockey stadium over there.
The hospital.
And then we got like the downtown area, and then that's the hospital over here. And then the old mill is way over there. Yeah, way over here. It's the old mill. You got like a salmon hatchery type deal on the go there now. The stadium. Right here. Hospital stadium.
My brother just cooked me a big old pork chop, Cajun spice on it.
Nice, that's
When
funny
I get home.
because I'm taking a pork chop and I got fucking Cajun spice with me. And
Do
yeah, I swear to God.
Are you serious?
I'm not even joking.
Are you kidding me?
I actually got Cajun. It's the Cajun, and I got garlic garlic pepper and something else
That's
as well.
why.
Yeah, come prepared like usual. Gonna cook up a little pork chop and I got a can of peaches and cream corn. Yeah, for something to do. Take it up, have a little munch. That's about it.
Smoke some bongs.
Yes, get medicated. Excuse me. Shouldn't take this long this time to get there because last time we were farting around at the pond, but this time we're just gonna go straight on, cause I'm a bitch. No, what? No.
I don't think I get cell service, like get data
It's a
in
joke.
the woods like my slow speed.
Weird. Some
Videos pause.
little lunch, passing the sign.
Bugs everywhere.
There's flies. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous again this evening. Gotta go to the right. Take the bridge here. There you go.
It's sunny. So we gotta collect the wood.
Yeah.
We should drag that over there.
Get some of this
You
stuff.
think?
Oh yeah. This here burned perfect.
Yeah, take this one. Try to grab as many of them as we can.
Click nothing. Never said anything. Whoa! Got some wood. Well, not some. I got a lot actually. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be a perfect little fire. Todd has some as well. Yeah. Okay. We made it. I have fucking branches in my boots and stuff, but it's alright. We got all kinds of stuff here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we got all kinds of dry stuff.
There you go. I think I'm deaf.
So here's the type of wood you would need if you're cracking it up, because it's got those little ridges on it. You can get your knuckles pretty banged up, but I'm just saying how this your type of wood, you can get your fingers all banged up if you don't like crack it the right way.
Yeah.
Like you gotta like grab it like and kind of do like that type of thing, because if you don't, you're scraping your knuckles, right?
Oh yes.
My armpit just made a fart sound. There should be plenty to get it going. What's that?
What's that?
Yeah, there should be plenty to start the fire. I got the torch again this time.
Yeah, some Pascas animals. Zelda.
Okay, we're gonna. Okay. Trusty old backpack. Got the propane. That on.
I used to get really paranoid that if I was smoking.
Brought this
Around, oh
this
yes,
time.
for the corn?
No, pork chop.
Oh, for the pork chop. You're gonna cook the pork chop in that?
Yeah.
You gonna put like fat in it?
No, butter.
Oh, butter, yes, boy.
A little bit of butter. Some onions. Got a pork chop and some onions for a little Kinder Egg with some butter in it. Some of this. What else did I bring? I know I got. Oh, it's in the front. Some spices and a Kinder Egg. Can opener. And, oh crap. I didn't realize that my phone's dying. But I guess I'm gonna have to end the video off already.
Oh no.
Yeah, but yeah, I didn't even realize I should have done my phone more. But yeah, we're up here for a little lunch again anyway. Until next time. Well, since my phone's still alive, I got the pork chop going, fires. Look at that. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. Corn right there, ready to go. It's been bubbling this a while, but I'm waiting until this is done. But yeah, created a little like jet stove type style for the pot. Coming out great, guys. I'm gonna try to get a little video of me having a little munch on it. But yeah, my phone's dying. But yeah, awesome. It's gonna come out great. Smells delicious. Look at that. Nice and hot.
It's nice and hot. What you got?
And the pork chop's done. Nice and caramelized onions. Oh man, yummy. I love cooking outside. It's the best. Check this out. Yum fucking E. Woo! Gonna have a bite there now. I already had a couple pieces of the. I put the onions or the corn in with the onions. Oh man, delicious. Go ahead now and get into this pork chop. Cooked perfectly.
I don't want to put. No, I don't want to put the. Oh, it's still burning. Look at it. I don't know why they did that. Still.
Woo! Corn in the throat.
Holy fuck, you alright, bro?
Oh yeah. I was inhaling it.
He's down in it, man. He loves it. It's better than barbecue. It's better than an oven. It's better than a wood fire. That's like a real fucking fire. Coal. It wasn't even fire. It was like coal. Look at that, right to the bone. Just get that in there, man. Some corn, right? What you're talking about? I don't understand the phone.
That was fucking good. Yummy. Todd gave me this. His brother won it, and he gave it to him, so he gave it to me. Gonna have a quick little drink.
That shit is children's drink. I'm joking, bro. No, I can't say why it was a children's drink. Okay. Do it.
Excuse me. Dude, a frog started going. And when I burped, a frog started chirping.
It's all like clockwork up here, by holy fuck, the frogs and everything going on.
I'm gonna see if they'll do it again. He did. Bro, he's talking to me. What the fuck? Hold on. Listen. Watch.
It's a fake bird. What the fuck?
He's. Hold on. Got Todd buzzing. Why, you didn't know I could burp that loud?
I didn't know that's possible.
Really? No, I've been doing that since I was a kid.
Oh, that's hilarious,
Watch.
dude.
You breathes in, right? Like you gulps air.
I wouldn't take the chance, dude. Oh, God.
And then you goes.
No, dude, I killed myself doing that. I fucked myself inside of me, dude.
Oh, shit.
Dude, let's do one of these before someone comes.
You can hear that, right? Can you hear the echo? Can you hear the echo, bro?
Yes, a little bit.
It's like it's so loud, dude.
Oh, fuck, that's hilarious.
Oh, we just left the spot. Successful little lunch. Todd never ate. He had actually a pork chop with some King Jong spices, and I brought some with me, and it was deadly, as you guys see. I dropped you guys. Sorry.
Some people are fucking stupid. They don't know what I'm talking about.
Right on, guys. Thanks again for dropping by and watching this video. If you did stay by and watch it, wish it could have been a little better. My phone was dying.
Oh shit!
Drop it later. Wow. But yeah, all right, guys. No. Yeah, so that was kind of like an abrupt ending. So I just thought I'd end it off in a little bit of a different way because my phone was being a little crappy. I got it charged up a bit. It's a little later in the evening. Taking a walk through the local trail here called the Nature Trail. A little bit cliche, but I mean, it's a nice spot. I like it. But yeah, appreciate you guys coming along and watching the video. Hope you guys got a little laugh there with Todd laughing. Whoa, there's a bird. Todd laughing and stuff. But yeah, take care, guys. Peace.